don't think you can do that in court. Nobody's going to believe you if you do that. So there you go. So I will no longer be singing the praises of Rabbi Sobel. So there you go. So sorry, but I do have notes from the sermon that I heard last Sunday. So there you go. Is Ronzi still here? How did you find us, Ronzi? How did you find the stream? These are questions I was asking while my mic was not plugged in. Ronzi is a first-time chatter. Oh, why don't I give you a shout-out, Ronzi? While you're here, Ronzi's getting ready to stream. Can I spell? Can I type? Yes, I did it! Just getting ready. Thank you, thank you. The pleasure is all mine. So, have I met you before? I'm so sorry that there are so many people that I've met that I forget. Did I follow you first? I'm such a... I do a lot of following and run. Like there's a streamer that I see that I like, and I gotta follow them before they raid out. So there's some people that I am following that I forget why I'm following them. You were playing gospel music. Oh, well, there you go. So a funny story about that. This goes in the Watch This Space category. So we got a brand new worship leader at my brand new church that I've only started going there for the last 2 months, I guess, possibly, since September. Yeah, it was like my daughter went to college, and it was like I started playing hooky from my own church, like my old church. See ya. I can't come here anymore. But anyway, the new worship leader, who, by the way, the music sounds better without the new worship leader, my opinion. The new worship leader was not there last week. The old worship leader was there last week. There was no explanation for why there was no explanation for why. So, we were playing gospel music. That's how you network. We're both Christians, so we have that. Yes, exactly. Amen. We have everything in common. So I do not know what has happened to the worship leader, but the music was better without him there. So we'll see what happens. Hey, speaking of music, okay, there's my holiday music. All right, I'm not extremely happy with that sleeve. I'm okay with this hand. can do more work on that sleeve. This is going to get very quiet. Very quiet. We are hunting rabbits. I'm hunting rabbits. Alright, how's that thumb? How's that thumb looking for you? How's that working for you? Nope, that is too big. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's take a look at what is going on. Let's move on. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. What's special about today? What makes today so special? Today is Tuesday, December 12th, 2023. Not only is it Tuesday, 12/12/23, it is also Health Coverage Day. Yay! Let's go out and get some health coverage. Do a dance. How do we celebrate Health Coverage Day? Hopefully, not everybody has health coverage, let me tell you that. Certainly hope that everyone can celebrate Health Coverage Day. Let's start on the head here. More to come about what is so special about today. Let's drop that down to number 7. Thank you very much. Makes bushy eyebrows. Yay for health coverage. That's right. Health coverage dance. Go out and get your health coverage. Go out and spend some health coverage. Go to the doctor. Oh, that does remind me. Gotta make a dentist appointment. Keep having to remind myself about this dentist appointment. I'm going to make a reminder right the heck now.